So today I'm having beef stroganoff. Is that what?
Stroganoff.
Okay, stroganoff.
Beef stroganoff and rice.
Yeah. Well, it's time to have this. I don't really know the rest of it. I want it to be alone. Good.
Good?
Yeah. But do you know what's better?
What?
Rice. It tastes like nothing.
We have to try other stuff, don't you?
Yeah.
So what do you give it?
6 or 7 out of 10.
That's good. Then what do we do?
Like and subscribe, copy the link in the comment.
Say
And
thank
share,
you.
and share, and share. Thank you.